Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something super important, keeping yourself safe and private on the internet. We'll learn about security, privacy, and the exciting world of cybersecurity, including cool things like ethical hacking and penetration testing. Sounds like a spy movie? Kinda. Let's get started. What is security and privacy? Let's imagine your house. You keep your things safe inside, right? You lock the doors, close the windows, and don't let strangers walk in. Now think of your phone or computer like your digital house. It has your photos, your messages, your passwords, even your money. Security means protecting that digital house from bad people. Privacy means controlling who can see your personal things. Definition: security is protecting systems from harm. Privacy is protecting your personal information. So when you keep your Instagram private or use a password, you're already practicing security and privacy. High five. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is like being a digital superhero. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, and data from digital attacks. These digital attacks come from people called hackers. They try to break into your system and steal or damage stuff. But wait, not all hackers are bad. Meet the good hackers, ethical hackers. Imagine this: you own a candy store. To protect it, you ask your best friend to try to break in, not to steal candy, but to help you find where the locks are weak. That's what an ethical hacker does. They're good hackers who find the problems before the bad hackers do. They help companies fix security holes so nobody can break in. Ethical hacking is using hacking skills for good, to protect, not to harm. Isn't that cool? What is penetration testing? Penetration testing, or pen testing, is a fancy word that means let's test if our system is strong by pretending to attack it. Ethical hackers run fake attacks to see if passwords are weak, apps have bugs, doors are left open to hackers. It's like a fire drill, but for your computer system. Real-life example. Let's say a bank wants to make sure their website is safe. They hire an ethical hacker to test it. The hacker tries to break in, not to steal money, but to check how strong the defenses are. If they find a weak point, the bank fixes it right away. This keeps your money safe and your private information secret. Why is this important? Every day, people use the internet to shop online, chat with friends, share photos, do schoolwork. But there are also cybercriminals who try to steal passwords, hack accounts, take your personal info. That's why we need cybersecurity heroes. Here's a great quote by Kevin Mitnick, a famous ethical hacker. "The human factor is truly security's weakest link." That means we need to be smart users. Don't click on weird links, don't share passwords, and always update your software. Final tips to stay safe. Use strong passwords, don't click on strange links, keep your apps updated, don't share private info with strangers. Use antivirus software. And remember, being safe online is just as important as being safe in real life. So today we learned security is keeping your digital life safe. Privacy is keeping your personal info private. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects us online. Ethical hackers and pen testers are the good guys who help keep systems safe. You can be part of this digital army too, by being smart, alert, and kind online.